Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Now I had some problems with my Terminator joystick for my Amiga 500. It didn't want to move properly and this stick was just so stiff and the fire button didn't work. So I just wanted to clean it. But the way to open this joystick is it's got a screw in there. And you actually have to take the split off just like a real hand grenade here. It's just so awesome built, so you have to pull this one out, then you can actually open the grenade. It's really awesome done. So I just resoldered some points here and also the fire button here. So I think it will work now, and this stick has been cleaned, and I just dropped a little bit of oil in there and it moves so nice now, all the switches and all that. It's just awesome now. So I hope it will work. So I will just put it together now and make a little test. But I just while working on this, I haven't filmed this and put it up on YouTube. As you know, my mission is just to document as much Amiga stuff, Commodore 64, retro stuff on YouTube as possible. Because, I don't know, in 10 years I want to watch all this fun stuff myself. So this is how the Terminator looks inside. The hand grenade. Never played with it, so let's give it a go, guys. Ah, yes, and we're done with it. It works perfect now. Just got a tad of oil here because I oiled it inside. I love putting in real, I mean not WD-40, but real oil, you know. It makes it work so nice. So yeah, this Terminator is ready to go. Oh, it's so nice now. I mean, everything was just dead in the beginning. The Terminator, I love the name of this one, yeah. Here we go, guys. These old Amigas, when it stops loading, as you can see, it turns off the power button. But when it loads, it turns it on again. I don't know if it was a power feature. I have found this on the revision 5, the old motherboards. On the newer ones, the power LED is always on. It's weird, guys. Well, today another Amiga saved, another joystick saved. That's just awesome. I love repairing these old machines. They're just so easy to repair. Yeah, look at the LED now, and if I reset, as you can see, the red light is on. And as soon as it stops, loading, then the red light will turn off again. It's odd, but yeah, the early revisions, they're like this. Yeah. All right. This one had some leaves inside, so this one, the left side was always on. I don't know why, so I checked the cable connection and all that, but this one has a little leaf inside that got pressed down, and it was bent, so I just readjusted it and again put in some oil on all the switches on fire buttons, and oh, it feels so. It centers now, as you can hear. Oh, it's just so nice. I love using, I don't know, 5-10 minutes on all these old hardware, and after that they just work like new. It's great, guys. Highly recommended. All right, until next time, play some full contact. It's awesome. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.